This bird dives like a missile and stuns like a gem. Smash that like if you've ever wanted to fly, fish, and flex all at once. Because the kingfisher is built different. Tiny? Yep, but it's got speed, precision, and drip in every feather. That electric blue, it's not pigment. It literally bends sunlight to glow brighter. Then, boom, 40-kilometer-per-hour dive, sniper lock accuracy, zero splash. That beak? Think high-speed rail with feathers, silent, deadly, gorgeous. If James Bond were a bird, it'd be the kingfisher. Falcon Fast or Kingfisher Flawless? Drop your pick and follow for more wild wonders.